Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools, your go-to spot for tools, tech, and tips. Today we're diving into a powerhouse diagnostic tool that's a favorite among DIYers and pros alike, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S. If you're looking for a scanner that gives you dealer-level diagnostics without the dealer-level price tag, this might be it. As the 2025 upgraded version of MaxiCheck MX808, our newest MK808S auto diagnostic scanner for all cars inherits the powerful bidirectional control, which makes it the most cost-effective auto scanner. Active Test is widely used on car subsystems to help you check if the car actuators are all in good condition, such as windows, rear mirrors, sunroof, wipers, etc. MK808S dealer-level scanner, like Snap-on tools, effectively works all cars for all system diagnostics. It reads and clears codes, provides ECU info, displays 5-in-1 live data, performs active tests, and special functions for all available modules. With a few clicks, you can easily understand the vehicle's condition. The convenient Wi-Fi printing feature allows you to generate a detailed report, highlighting the exact nature of the problem. Autel Versatile OBD2 SCANNER MK808S, full level up of MX808, work as MX900, 900 Malawian Kwaches, MK900BT, supports 150-plus car brands worldwide and FCA AutoAuth. Like the OBD2 code reader MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro, MK808S is equipped with 28-plus hot services, including oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, battery registration, etc. MK808S ranks top in professional automotive tablets and keeps updating to support more newer modes from 2023 to 2025. As the largest Autel officially certified seller on Amazon for 10 years, we prioritize user experience and strive to meet your expectations. If you have any questions, please reach out Telephone Receiver Motorzone US at Outlook.com Telephone Receiver for assistance. We are available 24/7, 365 to support you and offer the following: a 1-year brand warranty, 12-month free updates, lifetime technical support, and free return and replacement policy. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, tons of service functions, easy to use, affordable. And cons: no coding or programming for most models. Updates require a yearly subscription after the first year. So, is the Autel MK808S worth it? If you're a serious DIYer, small shop owner, or even just someone who wants to save on diagnostics, absolutely. It packs serious punch without breaking the bank. Just know it's not meant to replace pro-level tools like the Ultra or MS906. If you've got questions about this tool or want to see it tested on specific cars, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next tool review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.